Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Bagisto. In today's video tutorial, we'll be checking out the customer section in Bagisto, where we have three different sections that are the customers, groups and reviews. Under the customers, the admin would be able to see the information of the customers, can see the addresses, their invoices and the orders. Under the groups, the admin would be able to view and create the customer groups as per the requirement there. And under the reviews, the admin would be able to see the product reviews and ratings given by the customers on different products. And from the review section, the admin can approve or disapprove any of the reviews as required by the admin from the backend panel there. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial today, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So let's hop on to the admin backend panel and let's see how this particular customer section appears to the admin in the admin backend panel and the different options that the admin gets under the same. So what I'll be doing is I'll be logging into the Bagisto backend panel by entering the email address password for the admin and tapping on the sign in button thereafter. After we have logged into the admin backend panel, we'll be able to see the dashboard there. And on the side panel here, we have the customers section, as you can see. And if I tap here on the drop down, here we'll be able to see customers, groups and reviews. So first of all, let's go to the group section and let's see how the admin can view the different groups that are there and how the admin would be able to create some groups in the admin backend panel under the group section. So what I'll do is I'll just tap here on the group section, and here you can see that here we have the guest, general and the wholesale groups that are already available. To add a new group, what you can do is you can tap here on the add group button, and then what you need to do is you need to give the code and the name for the new group. So let's give the name as Hi Buyers, and let's set the name of the group as Hi Buyers. And I can tap here on the save group button to save the particular group. So you can see that the particular Hi Buyers group has been saved. If you want, you can delete that by tapping on the delete button that you have under the actions column here, or you can also edit it as per your own requirement by tapping here on the edit button as required there. Now let's come to the customer section. Under the customer section, the admin would be able to find the complete list of customers that are registered within the store. And here the admin can see the name of the customers, their email address, their group, their phone number, their gender, their status. And under the actions column, the admin can edit, add a note on a particular customer, or delete the customer as per the requirement there. To add a note for a particular customer, what you need to do is you need to tap here on the add note on this customer button, and then you can enter the note for the particular customer. That's for example this Meddo. So I've entered nice customer, and I can save the note, and I can tap here on the save note, and you can see that the note has been taken for the respective customer. Now if I edit this particular customer as an admin, I can see different sections here, like information section, the address section. Now the information section has the complete information of the customer that includes the first name, last name, the email address, the gender, the status. From here you can suspend the account of the customer as well. So if you suspend the account of the customer, then the customer would not be able to check out with the products at the storefront end if you suspend the account of the customer there. You can see the date of birth, the phone number, and from here you can assign a particular customer group to the customer. So here you can see that we had assigned the general group to the customer there, but we also have the Hi Buyers customer group that we have just created. So we can assign this Hi Buyers customer group to this particular customer as well. And then we can tap here on the save customer button. Then we have the addresses section. Here the admin would be able to find the complete list of addresses that the particular customer has added under his own account panel. So here the admin will find the company name, the address, the postcode, the city, state, country, whether the particular address is the default address, and from here the admin can edit the particular address or can delete the address as well. Apart from that, the admin would also be able to add the address on behalf of the customer as well by tapping here on the add address button that you can see on the top right hand corner here. So if I tap on that, then we'll be able to find the general section where we can set up the company name, the VAT ID, the street name, city. So if I fill these details here, as you can see, I have filled them up. Let me set it as 90007, and we can make this as the default address as well. Let's make it as default address, and let's tap here on the save address button. Now if I go to the addresses section, you can see that 90007 has been made as the default address, and the other one has been removed from the default address there, and the postcode is for 90007 there for the customer itself. So from here you can also edit or delete any of the edit addresses on behalf of the customers as per your own requirement. Then we have the invoices section. Now under the invoices section, you will find the complete list of invoices that you have generated for the orders that have been placed by the respective customer. So here you can find the invoice ID, invoice date, the channel name from where the products were brought, the order IDs, the grand total, the status, and from here you can also view the particular invoices by tapping on the view icon. So if I tap on the view icon, I can go to the information section, and here we can find the complete details of the order as well. And from here you'll be able to send the duplicate invoice, so you'll be able to print the invoice as well as per the requirement there. Now let's go back to the customers. Let's edit the customer. So this was the invoices section. Now coming to the orders, but before that you can also search the invoices here as per the requirement there. You have a search box here. Then we have the orders section. Now under the orders section, you will be able to find the complete list of orders that the customer has placed along with the status for each of the orders. So here you can see that one order is closed, pending, completed, and pending. So from here you can view any of the orders that the customer has placed. To view the details of that particular order, you can tap on the view button under the actions column. Here you will find the order date, the channel name, the subtotal, and the grand total for the respective orders itself. Apart from that, you can filter out the details as well as per your own requirement according to ID, order date, channel name, subtotal, grand total, and the status of the order as well. So this was about the customer section, where we have the complete information of the customer. We have the addresses of the customers, where we can add the addresses for the customers. We can view the invoices of the orders placed by the customers, and the orders, the complete list of orders can also be viewed for the respective customer, and from here we can view the respective orders that have been placed by the customer himself. Now under the groups, I've already shown you how we can add the customer groups, and under the customers we can select the particular group that we want to assign to the particular customer by selecting the respective group that we have already created. Then under the reviews, we'll be able to see the complete list of reviews that the customer has given for the products from the store front end. And here you can see the title of the review, the comment, the rating that has been given. So the customer can give the product review and the ratings as per the requirement there. The product name on which it has been given, the status can be seen, and the date as well. So from here the admin can edit any of the reviews as per the requirement, and can approve or disapprove or make the review as pending as per the requirement there. And here you can see the particular review that has been given, the comment, and the image that has been uploaded by the customer from the store front end. Now this particular thing, after the approval, or this particular product review and the rating after it has been approved by the admin, would be visible on the product page. So for example, if I go to the watch product page, here you can see that the customer rating, 5.0 rating has been given, and one review is there, and the review is here as you can see with the 5 rating. 5 rating is there. Go for this genuine watch by Spencer, review by Smith-Doe, dated August 10, 2022. And here we also have the image that has been uploaded by the customer from the front end. Now let me show you how the customer would be able to give a particular review on a particular product. So for example, let's go to this best landscape product that we have, and let's go ahead and let's write a review by tapping here on the write your review button on the product page itself. Now here we have to give the rating, so we can give the rating as per our own requirement there. We can set the title, for example, best landscape, kindly purchase the original product by the seller, kudos, right? If I want, I can also upload any image that I want to upload for this particular product that I have purchased. So I can tap here on the image option, and this would open up the local drive from the local system. I can upload the image. So for example, let me go to the desktop here, and let me go to the landscape image. Let me open it up, and I can tap here on the submit review button thereafter. So you can see that the product review has been submitted successfully for the product, as you can see. Now if I go back to the review section, here you can see the particular review is visible here. Best landscape, kindly purchase the original product by the seller, kudos. The seller rating is the rating for the product is 5. The product is best landscape. The status is pending, and the date is being visible 16/8/2022. So I can edit this up, or I can delete the review as well, and I can make it as approved, right? And here you can see the image uploaded by the customer is also visible, and then I can tap here on the save button, and you can see that the status has changed to approved now. Now if I go to the best landscape and I refresh the product page, you can see that 5.0 ratings are there for this product and 1 review is there. If I scroll down, 5 star, 1 review, and 1 review, kindly purchase the original product by the seller, kudos. Review by Smiddo, August 16, 2022, and the image uploaded by the customer is also visible here to the other users of the store who come and visit the particular product page there itself. So these were the 3 sections of the customer section, that is the customers, groups, and the review section. So I hope that this particular video helped you out in understanding the customer section in Bagisto. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements regarding the same, then you can anytime get back to us at support@bagisto.com, or you can raise a ticket at bagisto.uvidesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.